Hi, so for today's video, we're going to be doing nails, and I'm super excited to do this video because this is my very first ever collab with any brand, and it happens to be with Hanakoko, and they're a new semi-cure gel nail sticker brand, and just like Ohora and Dashing Diva Glaze, which I've been using for years. So I'm really excited to try their stuff. And this is a box that I was sent. I did get to choose my own designs. And this is not a paid collab. This is just trying it out and seeing if I like it. So I'll show you what I picked. So it comes like this. I have two different designs and a free lamp and scissors and one of these pusher downer things, which I love because I had to buy this one from Ohora for like, I don't know, $16 or $20, I forget. But this has been a game changer, having this. So it's super nice that they included it in their box. And some nail stickers, a cute little ring. So let's open the lamp. So this is just one of those lamps that, oh, this one has a timer. That's even better. The Ohora one does not have a timer. So I kind of guess about how long I'm curing the nails. I think it's 45 seconds because it only has one button. So that's cool. So I'm just gonna plug this in, and it's a USB-C, which is different. Usually it's like a micro USB. So I'm just gonna plug this in. But yeah, okay, I'm really excited for that. So you can toggle through the different settings. So I'm gonna open, I guess, I'll open both. I think I'm gonna do the marble though, but let's look at both. I like how the packaging is very clear with the instructions in English. That helps a lot. And it comes in a sealed container, which is good. So I looked on their website and they actually have like this really good combo set right now. I don't know if they had it before, but there's a super discount combo and you can pick 4 sets of stickers and you get the UV lamp and one of these packets for $65, I believe it is, which is a really good deal actually. Because each packet of stickers I think are $16. So yeah, that's actually a really good deal. Ooh. So this is what it comes with in one. There's just one sheet and it comes in this. And it's so pretty. So this is the platinum. Ooh, I can't wait to use this. Okay, now I might want to do this one. Okay, let me see. So this is the marble, and this one's super nice too. Oh, that's a hard choice. Maybe I'll do platinum since this weekend's kind of like it's Halloween weekend, so that one will be like maybe more fun to go out with. But yeah, this is what the marble looks like. So pretty. I'm just gonna put it in the bag because I wouldn't want to turn this on, you know, with these out. So, and I love how these came with nail stickers. I don't know if this was special or if it always comes with a little gift like this, but I've been curious to try. Like I have like Hello Kitty, like I have all of these type of nail stickers too. So I might try something like this later, or yeah, maybe next time with the gel top coat over. First things first, I already prepped my nails. So I filed them, I pushed down the cuticle, and I really recommend like having something like this. I know usually it comes with like the wooden kind of nail pusher downer thing, but I really like this metal type because sometimes there's like skin on your nails that you don't even know about, but if you put nail polish or anything over it, it doesn't make it last as long. So I really like scraping down my nail with the metal one, and it's also easily cleaned too. Something else I noticed, I haven't done a nail video for a while because, you know, I kind of just do the same things over and over, but I bought a new nail file or a buffer, and I noticed the stickers don't last as long when I use like this type where it makes it smooth and shiny, whereas when I use this one. So I'll link this down below too, but this is just like a medium grit, maybe like nail buffer. So it's not meant to shine and smooth your nail. Like this one doesn't have a, this is a typical one. It has one side that's a little bit rough, but the rest are meant to make it smoother. And that's what you don't want when you have a sticker, because then the stickers have nothing to really grip onto. So when I use this, it kind of smooths it down, but also roughs it up. Hard to explain, but you see they're kind of matte. They're not shiny at all. And I think that's better. That works out better actually. So first things first, always use the alcohol pad. And this, even though you washed your hands, this takes off any kind of oil that's even in the hand soap. You know, because they have like aloe or glycerin or whatever in hand soap, and you want to make sure you don't have any of that on. And I'm going to be doing this my typical way where I'm going to cut it in half because, yeah, my nails are still pretty short. And these are the type that are stretchy. So I really like how shiny these are. They're super shiny. So I'm just gonna cut this in half. So the part on the outside looks like it's the part that's supposed to go toward the cuticle. So I always put that side on my right hand because, you know, I do more, I'm right-handed, so I do more with my right, and, you know, I wash my hair more with my right hand, I guess. So I want this side to be really good. So this one fit like perfectly on my nails. That's what's nice. So how many are these? Okay, so you get 20 stickers total. And you want to minimally touch the sticky part if you can. And also, I forgot to look at this. Okay, so these are just some good little tips. Yep, clean your nails, don't let it go by the light, and don't over touch the sticky part. Yeah, so nice that they wrote those tips in English too. So when I put the stickers on, I like to go close to the cuticle, but you don't want to go over. So if you're going to err on one side, like having it be bigger or smaller, you always want it to be a little smaller. It's so funny, like I love glitter, and so I always, like, no matter what the brand, I always end up buying like this type, the silver glitter. But I have to say this one is the most sparkly. Like, so pretty. Even when I used to buy nail polish, I have like a whole tray, like a huge tray of just glitter nail polishes. And glitter nail polish is like the hardest to take off. But I haven't done like regular nail polish for like at least 2 years, ever since I've been doing Ohora when I first bought it. Yeah, I haven't used any of those. They're probably all getting old. Okay, so I have all the stickers on. I'm gonna put this back in the bag. Okay, so now I'm gonna trim it up. You can either use manicuring scissors, or I just like to use a nail clipper because it has like a nice angle. And I just cut the excess sticker off. I try not to cut my nail since I already filed it down to the shape I want. So I'm just gonna do this for all of my nails. It doesn't have to be perfect, just because once it's hardened, we're gonna file again.
If spring is the season that wakes me alive, then fall is the season to contemplate life. I don't know what is it exactly in this time of year that makes the melancholy me reappear. Back and forth through dark roast coffee, salt, mist and sea, sand and amber trees.
So the next step that I do is I use this type of silicone pusher downer thing. It's a little bit bigger than the Ohora, but same kind of like consistency or like softness, I guess. So you're just gonna push it down, and you have to go all around the sides, at the cuticle and on the other side, and of course at the tip too. But like usually I'll just do all and then use this to really get it nicely stuck. Okay, so I'm gonna do 60 seconds, and the way I do it, I do 4 fingers and a thumb, and that way I only have to do it twice. Okay, so they feel pretty hardened. So I'm gonna go ahead and file them down, just kind of smooth it over. Oh, so I like this file too. It's very, it's rougher than your usual file, which, you know, when you're filing gel, it makes it a lot easier and goes by faster. So if you cut them down pretty neat, you won't have a lot to file, which is good. So I know I mentioned this before, but for both hands, like I go like this to file, and then when I do my right hand, I move my finger, which is funny. So if you have a hard time doing your own nails, maybe try that. Move your right hand or whatever your dominant hand is, instead of trying to like awkwardly use your weaker hand. Okay, so they're all smooth, and then when I looked at the box, it said last coat or last step, top coat is optional. And you know, when I went on the site, I didn't see a top coat. So I'm gonna just use my Ohora top coat. Maybe they did have it. I don't know. I looked at it when I first signed up for this. But I love the gel top coats over the stickers. It really makes a difference. Like, it's shiny now, but it'll look even more shiny. So when you do your top coat, always cap the edge lightly. A lot of times I will just cap them all real quick. Like, you don't want a lot, like a big bubble at the end. You want to do this when there's just a little bit of top coat on the brush. I think this is the lazy way to do it. So I capped them all, and then now I'm gonna go with a nice coat of top coat on the rest of the nail. And if you can, you want to get it on the sides so that it kind of encapsulates the sticker if you have space. I have a little bit of space over here, so I'm going to try to put a lot, and it kind of seals it in. I think I'll bring you down lower. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, same way. I'm gonna take off the excess, then cap the edges. Okay, so I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds for each hand and come back. Okay, so the top coat is done and it's so nice and shiny. So the very last step is to get like a smoother file and just go along the edge real quick. Just, you don't even have to, but if you have any like little rough spots. Like this shiny manicure reminds me of when I did the Disney one, so with the Disney stickers that I made. And I think that's like my favorite manicure to date, like ever. It just came out so nice with the sparkly background. Maybe next time I'll do something like that. But yeah, so I really like these stickers by Hanakoko, and let's see, I do have a discount code for 15% off. It's Hana for Angie Crafts, and I'll put it all in the description box below. Yeah, I would recommend checking it out. I'll write also in the description box in about a week to let you know how long they last. I'm guessing it'll be in my normal 10 to 14 days, but they feel really nice, super shiny, not super thick. Like thicker than the Dashing Diva stickers, the gloss stickers, but on par with the same thickness as Ohora and Dashing Diva glaze. So yeah, if you try these out, let me know, and subscribe. And the next video I'm gonna do is gonna be on the marble. I'll try that one out. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.